Hello everyone, welcome to a new episode of Bo's Slow English. I am here in sunny Santa Monica. Ooh, that is my dog running away. We are in a neighborhood that I haven't explored much. It is a residential neighborhood. What that means is there are a lot of houses and families. Take a look. These are nice sized houses, not too big, not too small. Here's my husband. I'm trying to stay out of the sun because yesterday I received a facial and they put some cream on my face that would make my skin sensitive to the sun. So I'm wearing my hat, I have my sunglasses, and I'm in the shade. Say hi to Nari. Nari! Nari! Today, the time changed, which is called daylight savings. And there is a saying in the US, fall back, spring forward. So at 2 a.m. this past morning, it became 3 a.m. So we lost 1 hour of sleep. But the advantage of this is when we come home from work at around 6 p.m., it will be brighter outside. What do you prefer? Would you prefer that when you wake up in the morning, it's dark, but when you come home, it's brighter, or the opposite, where if you wake up in the morning, it's bright, but then it gets dark faster in the evening? This style of home is called a contemporary home. This home is, I don't know, maybe Italian style. It's actually a pretty big house. Has a nice garden. These homes over here do not look as renovated, which means they did not redo the exterior of the building to make it look new. We are near a middle school called John Adams Middle School or high school, I'm not sure. They are playing soccer, and we're actually near my old community college called SMC, which is Santa Monica College, which is over here. Now we are going to let's walk this way. In California, you will see a lot of citrus trees. Here's some lemon, maybe some lime. Nari prefers to be walked in quiet neighborhoods. Usually, she gets really scared and skittish when there's a lot of noise. Skittish means spooked out. Spooked out means get scared easily. This is Ocean Park Boulevard, which is a semi-busy street. It feels like a cute and quaint neighborhood. We are crossing the crosswalk to head into another residential area. This is a small neighborhood grocery store that I used to go to called Bob's Market. I would love to live in this neighborhood because once we get into the quieter streets, you will see that there's a lot of nature surrounding us. We recently had some rain, so the grass is greener than usual, but as you can see, the grass is still a little bit dry and brown because generally California does not receive a lot of rain. After this walk, we are probably heading back home. I need to clean the apartment. I have a lot of junk laying around. And then we will probably decide what to eat for dinner. Because my husband and I work a lot, we decided that tonight will be date night. What do you want to eat tonight?
Not sure.
Okay, he's not sure, which means it might be Korean food. That's usually our go-to. This is an interesting neighborhood. It's like little...
It's like a hotel.
Yeah. It's weird how the houses are blocked off from each other. Cute. This is a church. This is Maple Street. All of these streets that are parallel to Maple are names of trees. As you can see, there are many trees. We are finishing up our walk, and I would love to know, what part of the world do you live in? And are you enjoying these vlogs? Are you learning English from them? I hope so. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.